8 hours after leaving Brisbane, we've arrived in Kansai Airport and we're going to head to Namba, where our hotel is. We are going to show you just how easy it is to make your own way via train from Kansai Airport to Namba. Let's go. So coming out of the exit, we're going up to the second floor where the train station is. If you follow the signs, they're really easy to find. Say hi, Simon.
Hi, Simon.
Once upstairs, you're heading to the right, heading outside and across to the train stations. Nice and easy again, well signposted. You've got two options, catching JR or Nankai. Nankai is definitely the easiest one to make your way into Namba. So to buy your tickets is as simple as going over to where they sell the tickets. Don't get confused, make sure you're either buying the Nankai one or the JR ones on the other side. We're heading Nankai. So we've very quickly, in less than 1 minute, got our tickets. We're now heading over to the entrance gates, which is directly opposite where we bought the tickets. The tickets cost us $1,350 for the rapid one to Namba. We better get a move on so that we make that train.
And the lady spoke very good English, so there was no issues with worrying about explaining what we needed. Ticket
into the machine. Make sure you pick it up from the other end so that you're able to get out of the station. We're walking down. We need to go downstairs to get onto the platform. We're leaving from platform 2. Heading downstairs, well signed on the ground, tells you where platform 1 and platform 2 is. So the slower train is sitting on platform 2 at the moment, so after that goes the rapid one will come in and we jump on that one.
We booked seats on the rapid train to get into Namba, and your ticket will say what car number you are and also what seat number you are. We're in car 4, seat number 6. Don't be tempted to jump on an earlier train just because it's here and waiting, because that's not the way it goes.
And on the ground it'll tell you exactly where the lining up is, where your car number is. The slower train's just about to go. We'll wait for the fast one to come in. Getting on the train, there's loads of space for luggage. Heaps of room there, and if they're full, there's some space behind the last 2 seats on both sides.
Nice big seats and a nice clean train.
Plenty of leg room.
So if you're waiting for the train, there is free Wi-Fi. It's called Osaka free Wi-Fi. You just got to put your email address in and it's pretty rapid.
And just like that, we've arrived at Namba station. And to exit the station, we need to stick our ticket back in and it keeps the ticket, and we're here. As you can see, the train trip from Kansai into Namba is super easy. It's pretty quick, under that 40-minute mark, and really easy to navigate from the station. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see any of the videos about where we're staying at the moment in Namba, great hotel, or what we get up to in our stay in Osaka, feel free to subscribe so that you get notified when those videos come out. Thanks for watching.